deed of sale, or deed of donation? Alin ba talagang mas mura? Surprisingly, halos pareho na lang sila ngayon. Under the current tax code, ang capital gains tax and donor's tax are now 6%. Before, the donor's tax could go as high as 30%. Pero ngayon, fixed na siya at 6%. However, subject na rin siya sa 1.5% DST similar to a sale transaction. Saan ka makakatipid? May konting saving sa deed of donation dahil meron siyang standard deduction na 250,000 per year. For example, if ang value ng property is 10 million, if via deed of sale, the total taxes for the CGT and DST is around 750,000. Kapag via deed of donation naman, the total taxes for donor's tax and DST is 735,000 or a savings of 15,000 or 2%. May konting savings pa din. Pero before you decide, you better ask this question. Ano ba talaga ang purpose ng transaction? If may payment involved or bentahan, deed of sale. If ibibigay lang out of love or gratitude, deed of donation. So hindi lang dapat alin ang mas mura ang tanong. The more important question is, alin ang tama at mas safe sa iyong situation. For more land title tips, follow Conveyance.